In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block an IP address using Cloudflare, a powerful tool for managing website security. Whether you're a website owner dealing with unwanted traffic or simply trying to tighten your security measures, this step-by-step guide will show you how to efficiently block specific IP addresses using Cloudflare's user-friendly interface. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Open your browser and navigate to dashboard.cloudflare.com. Enter your credentials to access your Cloudflare account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your domains. Select the site or domain where you'd like to implement the IP block. This is an essential step because the actions you take will be domain-specific unless otherwise specified. Next, you'll want to head over to the Security section. Look for the option labeled WAF, which stands for Web Application Firewall. From there, navigate to Tools. Depending on your Cloudflare plan, this navigation path might slightly differ, sometimes appearing solely as Security and then Tools. This section contains various options for managing your site's security, including the ability to handle IP access rules. This is where the real action happens. Once in the IP access rules area, you will find an input field to start creating rules. Here, you should enter the IP address or the range of addresses that you wish to block. It's crucial to be accurate when typing out this information, as even the slightest mistake can lead to unexpected results, like accidentally blocking the wrong IP. After inputting the correct value, move to the Action drop-down box. Here, you need to select Block. This action tells Cloudflare to block all incoming traffic from the IP address you've specified, preventing any access to your site from this source. This feature is particularly handy for mitigating threats or filtering out malicious users. Next, choose the zone. You have the option to apply this rule to only one domain, or you can apply it across all websites in your account, which is perfect if you're managing multiple sites. Make sure to choose the option that best suits your security needs. Adding notes is another useful step. While not mandatory, it's a good practice to include context for your IP block, such as the reason for the block or the date you implemented it. These notes can be extremely helpful for any future admins who might manage your Cloudflare account, or even for reminding yourself why the rule was put in place. Once all these fields are correctly set up, click Add to save your new IP access rule. With this, you've effectively blocked traffic from the specified IP, bolstering your site's security. Remember, this measure is reversible. You can always edit or remove rules as your security needs change. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to block specific IP addresses using Cloudflare, enhancing your website's protection from unwanted traffic or potential threats. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks on managing your online presence.